want to share with you this great 4-pack set of under bed, under cabinet, fold away storage containers. I love this set because it comes in a 4-pack. Look how small it is when it's folded. The high quality fabric is durable, it's washable, and it has a design, a diamond design in it that keeps it sturdy, and it is fresh and breathable. Now it has handles, it has a pocket that is clear for labeling, and it holds a lot. It has a 90-liter capacity, and this is a great set of 4. Now, it is slim and flat when folded, and when it is stuffed, look and see all that it can handle. I'm going to put bedding in here that's out of season. I'm also going to store some clothing. It's great for toys, and because it is 39 inches by 7 inches, it is easily slipped under items, under furniture items. You can see how much I can fit in here. You can have things folded, or you can have them just tossed in here, and it will hold a lot. It will hold these thick blankets whether I take the time to fold them or just push it in there. And it has a 3-sided zipper design with tight corners that makes all of the objects compact that you put in it, and you can easily slide them under pieces of furniture, or they stack well on each other. Now, it's soft in design, so it can fold away when you don't need it. Watch how easily it slips under this bed. With 4 handles on the horizontal and the vertical side, you can see how easily it will slip and slide under this bed. Out of the way, out of sight, but I can easily retrieve it when I need to. And there's 4 of these. You can see it would easily fit under this baby bed. It only needs a clearance of 7 inches, and it can be easily retrieved. All those unused spaces you can now use for storage with this great set of 4. 4 of these can put away a whole lot of clothes and a whole lot of bedding, out of season clothing. This is a great, great design. This product was given to me for my honest opinion, and I will have it throughout my home, stacking away in an orderly fashion all the things that I need to store and have at hand without putting in the attic. Easy grab from the front or the side. I could line up 2 or 3 of them under this baby bed alone and have a lot of storage that I wouldn't have had otherwise. I highly recommend this great quality product.